Welcome back to another video of HoverNotes AI. As you can see, I have a video getting ready to set up. Now, in this video, I will show you some features that you can use. Remember, you can automatically take notes with HoverNotes AI, or you can manually type it out, as you can see, as I did. You can edit the notes as it goes. So let's enter video mode. Now, I'm going to show you a few features that you might want to use. So as you have the video open, as you can see right here, you want to go to settings. And as you can see, there's a bunch, but the first one is custom prompts. You can use custom prompts. And then you have a few more options that I want you to enable. Add screenshots to AI notes. And also, you're going to want to add timestamps to AI notes. What this is going to do, as I'll show you in a second, is automatically, once you enable the notes, or if you already have it enabled, it'll take screenshots for you because it watches the video for you. And then also it has the timestamps, as you can see. So when you're taking AI notes, usually you're going to want to go back to the specific time frame in the video to find that specific section for a keyword, or maybe an important note that you missed, or you want to rewatch that section of the video. HoverNotes can do that for you as it automatically takes notes. This will make taking notes way better and much faster when studying, because when you're taking notes, you can always go back to that time frame, and you can use the screenshots to give you a visual reminder of what you may need and what it looks like. Especially, it would be good for math, it would be good for reading, it would be good for a lot of lectures that you have. Or if you're just using this personally, like I am right here, this is just a TED Talk. It gives me a little bit of a visual while I'm taking studies, while it's automatically taking notes for me. And as you can see, there's a lot of screenshots here, but it also organizes it with your notes. So these are two features that you can definitely enable to boost the performance of HoverNotes AI. Now, it does help you in many ways to have these visual reminders. Now, also, as you see, I just set the video to 2 times. This is a cool feature because you can actually let it run. Let's say you have a 30-minute video. You put it on 2 times and enable AI notes like I just did, and it will watch the video, it will listen to the video, and summarize the notes as fast as it's going. So that 30-minute video now turns into a 15-minute video. And that is pretty good. But remember, you're not watching the video. HoverNotes is watching it for you. That's the cool part about it. So as it takes notes, you can watch it, take notes, and be very mesmerized. So these are some features that you should enable because it enhances your experience with HoverNotes AI. This is all I wanted to talk about in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It shows that you're engaged. On to next time. Goodbye.